Hello world, what's up guys? Welcome back to today's video. Guess who's here?
I'm here.
To all my new subscribers, this is my ultimate BFF Jillian. Most of you remember we've done a string of videos together. So today guys, I was about to take you shopping with me on a shopping vlog for skincare, beauty, all things new, when Jill texted me and was like, hey, do you want to go to the mall? And I was like, this is perfect. So here we are united again, and we're gonna go shopping. Gonna take you guys with me. So you were just saying that you have some empties to return. Oh my goodness, look, you're pregnant.
I'm very pregnant.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Also, you got married since the last time that we've seen everyone.
I have 2 rings on now.
There's too much going on. Anyway, so you were saying that we have some empties. You have some empties.
But you know what the bad thing is?
What?
I'm going in with MAC with empties in a Sephora bag.
Oh, this is embarrassing.
It's very embarrassing.
So I didn't know that they accepted empties. Do you get a free product?
You do.
Oh.
It's a really good recycle system. So I throw all of my empties in a bag, and then when I collect enough, I go in and you get it I think it's a free lipstick or a free lip gloss or mascara, which is pretty good because I love their lipsticks. So I have I think it's 6 empties you need. I have 6 and a broken product, so. Oh,
right. Do you want to tell them really quick about this broken product and what do you guys think?
It's a foundation flathead brush.
And it just snapped?
It just snapped when I was using it. I don't push on my face that hard.
That is shameful.
R.I.P.
All right, well, let's head inside. Let's see what's new at the mall. We'll see you guys in there. Hello, Aritzia. We have arrived at our first stop. We're at MAC. I love the colors. I love those neon tubes.
Very good. What brings you in today? I need some things.
All right. Well, I'm sure you know what you're looking for, but if you need the help to find anything, let me know. Okay?
Thank you.
You're so welcome.
I would not even know where to start. Look at all of these colors. 24 hours. Am I the only person? My OCD, literally, I need to straighten these out. I can't be the only person. Lime green? Someone called Kim Kardashian. Wow. Wait. Look. Quick, someone call Nude Lip, Copper Eye, Manny MUA, Jaclyn Hill. Look, I found all the coppers. Ooh, they are so shiny. I love this art library. First one, boring. Now neons? Where else would you wear this pink? Literally, other than to Trisha Paytas' house.
And I'm sure you'll file with us.
Let's get out of there. They were too busy. They did not have time to help us.
They're the worst.
All right, let's head over to Sephora, see if we can find some cheaper alternatives.
I prefer this experience, but there are a couple things over there that are still worth.
I haven't been to Sephora in forever, literally. I feel like I haven't been here in months. I've done so much shopping online. Through Sephora. Neon, I love it. Beautiful pink. These look so reflective. Let's head over to skincare. Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I see you. Oh my gosh, guys. It's the Advanced Night Repair Power Foil Mask. You guys remember I reviewed this. Shiseido, $73. Benefiance. This looks beautiful, gorgeous. I've never tried this. I have always been curious about the Luna Foreo UFO. Have any of you guys used this before? So apparently this makes your face mask penetrate deeper into the skin. $349. I don't know, but it just sounds so magical, so futuristic. Do any of you guys use this? I mean, look, it's so cute. Do I need this? I'm such a person that uses beauty gadgets. Do I need this? And then, of course, there's the classic Luna Foreo. Where's that at? Way down here. $119 for the little one, $159 for the big one. Peter Thomas Roth, you guys. I love the Irish Moor Mud Mask. You guys know it is purifying and hydrating at the same time. The 24 karat gold Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Mask. The Rose Stem Cell Cucumber. I mean, hello. And over here we have, do you guys remember, this is actually Jillian's favorite, the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench line. the Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, the Cloud Cream Cleanser. Ooh, and this is beautiful. This makes me feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. Thermal Water. How cute are these little mini lipsticks? Look at all of the prints on each one of these. I would have every one. I mean, look at that. The bridge, the polar ice caps. Oh my gosh, I hope they're not melting. A roll of money. I need to get this off my chest. I am so devastated that they're actually doing away with rollerball fragrances because I know dead skin gets in there and it gets all gross, so they're replacing them with aerosol heads. However, I used to like a rollerball because I like the way that it's more of a muted scent. The sprays, they're just too much. Alright, let's get out of here. This place is crazy. Sunday at the mall, definitely with this music pumping, this is like the place to be. I feel like I'm at the Sephora clubs. Literally everything is so bright, ooh, and distracting. I mean, hello. Estee Lauder, double wear.
I can help. Who's next in line?
Hey.
Hey, how can I help you?
I just have, God, a grande blonde.
Grande blonde.
Yeah.
So that is going to be coming to $2.82.
MasterCard, please.
As soon as you're right on in there. Come in there.
Just a little bit. Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you very much.
Have a great time.
Thank you. All right, where can we find the coffee station? Coffee station. All right, I just need to set everything down here. All right, guys, so we just left the mall. MAC had no time for us. They were not very helpful.
Not helpful at all.
Also, you weren't able to return any of your empties. A, because they were not helpful. B, we were literally digging through the drawers ourselves to try and get the makeup because there was no one to help us. Do you want to show everyone before we go what you got?
Yes. First, I got the Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Base Lumiere.
Ooh, and you've used this before?
Yeah, I used to use
like
it all the time. It lasts forever and ever. I made a switch to a different product, and now I'm back again just to give this another go.
Ooh la la. And how much was it?
It was like $50.
All right.
I paid 25% off today, but it's still expensive, but it lasts forever.
I like the package.
Yeah, it's nice way to get a little base on your face.
And then you decided not to go with a MAC concealer, and we went over to Sephora. Sephora was packed as well. The mall was really busy today. But what did you end up going with?
Well, because I don't have a lot to conceal under my eyes, it's just a Sephora Make No Mistake High Coverage Concealer. I googled the reviews while I was in there looking. They were very, very good.
And how much was that one?
It was $18.
And MAC was how much?
25. So not a huge difference in the price point, but I mean, you never know until you try.
That's it. Anyway, guys, I guess that's it for today's video. I can't believe how busy the mall was. I thought that the malls were over.
Stupid.
I thought that everyone was shopping on Amazon. Obviously not on Sundays. Anyway, if you like this style of video, make sure to give this a thumbs up. Also, hit subscribe right down below and join this ever-growing family. If you want to see Jillian again, say hello in the comments. Say hashtag bring her back. That's it for today's video, guys. Of course, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Bye.